Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your Realme 16. First, clean the microphone port at the bottom using a non-metallic tool. Then test the mic in a voice recording app. Go to Tools, Recorder, click Allow, and record your voice. If the sound waves move when you speak and stay static when silent, the microphone is working fine. Next, restart your phone by pressing power and volume up, then swipe up to restart. I'll see you in a second once it's done. After the restart, as a last resort, update your software, open Settings, swipe to System, click Software Update. It will check for updates. If one is available, click Download and install. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and any comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!